So I'm visiting different cities to surprise people with the magic of Peru. Will I make people fall in love with this wonderful country? Let's see.
Guys, excuse me, sorry to interrupt. Excuse me. Hey, bring it in. Listen, I'm on this mission to bring the cultural richness, traditions, and charm of Peru to the whole world. Let me just see, have you been to Peru before?
No, I always wanted to go.
No, todavía no he tenido la oportunidad.
No? Okay. Nine. What if I told you that I could bring a little piece of Peru to you right now, today?
¿Ahora? Me encantaría.
Yeah.
You say yes?
Yeah.
Let's do it? Let's do it. I like that attitude. Yeah, so why don't we say it together? I want Peru now. All together. I want Peru now.
J'aime le Pérou.
Ich liebe Peru.
Voglio il Perú. Ora.
Quiero Perú ahora.
In all parts of the world, the charm of Peru is felt and conquers hearts. Come to Peru and discover a country of infinite wonder.